Today we're going to go over how to remove the OEM JL bumper and install the Addictive Desert Designs Rock Fighter front bumper. We start by removing the plastic clips that hold on the top plastic bumper cover. Once these clips are removed, the cover comes right off. Next, you'll unplug the front bumper harness connector, which is located on the outside of the passenger side frame rail. Underneath the Jeep, you'll see that there are two 13mm bolts on the OEM skid plate. Remove these bolts. On the back side of the front frame rails, you can access the 4 nuts per side that hold on the OEM bumper. Remove all 8 of these nuts and take the OEM bumper off the vehicle. Underneath the Jeep, remove the 2 bolts that hold on the skid mounting plate. Then remove that plate from the vehicle. This next step is optional and only recommended for aesthetics. Use a reciprocating saw or something similar to cut off the front frame stilts just beneath the sway bar mounts. Once you are done cutting, make sure to paint over any bare metal to prevent any corrosion. If you have any lights or a winch to install on your bumper, now is a good time to do so. First, we install the winch fair lead using the hardware supplied by the winch manufacturer. Then we set the winch in place and bolt it to the bumper, also using the hardware supplied by the winch manufacturer. Next, install the supplied U-nuts into both inner mounting holes as well as the upper outer mounting hole per side on the bumper. Mount the appropriate light mounts to your light bar using the hardware supplied by the light manufacturer. Each brand of light bar will mount a little differently, so you might have to try a couple different mounts before you find out which one is best for your bar. Once you got the correct brackets mounted to the side of the light bar, use our supplied carriage bolts to secure the light to the bumper. On the Jeep, you'll need to drill out the lower outer mounting hole on each frame horn to a 1/2 inch. Set the bumper in place in the vehicle and loosely install all the mounting bolts. The supplied 1/2 inch button head bolts go on the outer lower mounting holes, the same ones you drilled to a 1/2 inch. All of the rest of the mounting holes use the supplied 3/8 inch hex head bolts, and they install from the back side into the U-nuts that you installed a couple steps ago. Adjust the bumper so that it sits straight in relation to the grille and is also centered left to right. With the bumper being held in place, go back and tighten each bumper mounting bolt. Once you've given them all a final tighten and double check, make sure everything is tight, you can stand back and enjoy your new ADD Rock Fighter front bumper. Visit our website at addoffroad.com to browse our selection of parts for newer makes and models of truck, as well as look up any installation guides that you might need for any products you've purchased from us in the past.